Hello. Welcome back guys. In this video let's see what is Cardano, and should you invest $1,000 in Cardano now or not? You are watching Crypto Ninja. I am Sandy. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Cardano is one of the fastest growing projects in the cryptocurrency space. Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's co-founders, and his former colleague Jerry Wood quit the Ethereum Foundation in 2015, which went on to launch the Cardano network and ADA token in 2017. At the current price of $2.82, Cardano's market capitalization stands $90.6 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Its price has gone up by nearly 11.3% in the last 24 hours. Cardano, ADA, has risen from lesser to become the third largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization after its price surged to an all-time high. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 3, with a live market cap of $87,310,327,296. It has a circulating supply of 32,143,055,864 ADA coins and a max supply of 45 billion ADA coins. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Cardano is one of the biggest blockchains to successfully use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is less energy-intensive than the proof-of-work algorithm relied upon by Bitcoin. In 2020, Cardano held a Shelley upgrade that aimed to make its blockchain 50 to 100 times more decentralized than other large blockchains. At the time, Hoskinson predicted that this would pave the way for hundreds of assets to run on its network. Should you invest $1,000 in Cardano now? Cardano's price was 18 cents when 2021 began. But now Cardano is trading at $2.76, which was a 1,500% return in 8 months. For example, if you have invested $1,000 in 2021 January, Cardano has returned over $15,000 now. According to the famous cryptocurrency website, that told Cardano will reach $12 in 2025, which is 357% growth. CoinPrice Forecast told that Cardano can reach $5.17 at the end of 2021. And Cardano reaches $6 at the end of 2022. Cardano price equal to 2.852 United States dollars as per the date of recording. If you buy Cardano for $1,000 today, you will get a total of 350.065 ADA. Based on wallet investor forecasts, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is $12.505 US. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 338.46%. Your current $1,000 investment may be up to $4,380.46 in 2026. Cardano can be a good investment for your portfolio. But all above are just predictions. Investing in cryptocurrency has a high risk. Only invest the excess amount you have. And we are at end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to know more about cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Catch you later in another informative crypto news.